In 2024, I decided to become more organized. I feel like becoming more organized will allow me to bring more structure in my life, become more accountable in things that I need to be, become more consistent with my content or any areas in life that I need to be. It allowed me to be stress-free. It allowed me to focus. It allowed me to get back on track for finding me, becoming who I want to be, and just aligning myself with the purpose that God has planned for my life. And I know someone may be saying like, girl, it's just organizing your kitchen. No, when I say organize, I mean my whole entire life. And I just started with my kitchen because I am home 90% of the time, and my kitchen is the first thing you see when you walk in. And honestly, a lot of times we judge based off of what something looks like or what we see. And I'm a person that I like to reflect who I am or what I stand on. So I tell my kids all the time, I want them to look a certain way because that's how I feel like reflects me as a parent and how I am as a person, as well as how I present myself. And I feel like my home should reflect the same manner as well. So I wanted to start with my kitchen, and I found this 24-count set from Amazon. It came with pre-made labels, so I just had to find the label for that seasoning, place it, and just fill it. It did come with a funnel, but I found that to be more difficult to clean my funnel every time I added a seasoning. So I didn't use it on every one, but it did come with a funnel, so I did enjoy that. Made it a little bit easier. I cleaned my drawers, decluttered them out, and prepared them for my seasoning. So I look forward to 2024 being a year of our organization.